Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. This plant that you are seeing is no other than the Brinjal plant. We have many types of this plant, and every year these plants give us many production. This is a white brinjal plant. This also gives many production each year. Each year we get a handful of brinjals from our garden. Now if you did not know, this brinjal plant gets a lot of pest attacks. So today I will be telling you some ways to prevent it and some other tips and tricks. First, you need to remove all the leaves that are touching the soil, as most of the pest attacks happen when the leaves are touching the soil. Next, you should check every day under the leaf if there is any kind of pest attack. Like in this leaf, there is an aphid attack. If you also find any kind of insect attacks like this, then make sure to remove the part of the plant immediately. If you do not do it quick enough, then it will spread and damage your whole plant. Next, you must remove all the dead and damaged leaves. Now, as you know, this is a vegetable plant, and any kind of vegetable or fruit plants need fertile soil. As we are growing our plants in pots, we must make sure that the soil is always fertile, because the roots do not have much space to move. As you know, we do organic gardening. We will only give organic based fertilizers. Before giving any kind of fertilizer to your plant, make sure to dig the soil always. This helps in aeration and better absorption of the fertilizer we are giving. Now as you can see, the plant has lots of flowers on it. So this time we need to give good amount of fertilizer, so that we can get many vegetables in this plant. Here, as an fertilizer, my mom prefers using kitchen waste compost. It's completely organic and is very easy to make. Next, I'm going to tell you a liquid fertilizer which you can give to your plants. It is no other than rice water. Yes, boiled rice water contains many minerals for your plants. This will help your plant get many blooms and vegetables. That's all for today. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Also, are you enjoying our shorts videos? Make sure to let us know in the comments down below. That's all. Bye bye.